Hello everyone. Today we are going to be learning about discounts and markups, which is one of the best things all year because this is something that we can use every day. When we go to the store and we see 15% clearance, we can figure out how much we're really going to pay before we ever get to the register. So let's go ahead and jump right in. There are a few definitions that we need to understand before we can get going. The first one is, what is a discount? Well, a discount is a decrease in the original price from an item, kind of like a sale. Markup is the next one. A markup is to make a profit, stores charge more than what they pay. So that increase from what the store pays to the selling price is called the markup. And finally, profit. And the profit is just the amount the store makes when it sells an item with that markup. So let's go ahead and try a problem out. So our first problem is going to show us how to find the sale price of an item. So if you have a pair of shorts here that are originally $35 and they are marked 25% off, and you want to find out how much you're really going to be paying at the store, this is a process you would use. The first thing you would do is use the percent equation to find the amount of discount. How much money is going to be taken off of that original price? So we'll plug in the information we know. We know that it's 25% off, so the percent is 0.25 times the whole, which is 35. And we end up with $8.75 is my part. That's how much is going to be taken away from that original price. So now we find the sale price. We do that by taking that original price, $35, minus the discount, which is $8.75. And we find out that we are only going to pay $26.25 for that pair of shorts. All right, it's your turn to try it out. So go ahead and we're going to pause and you're going to answer this question and then come back and check your answer. All right, here is the correct process. Please check your work and see that you followed it. And we'll move on to the next type of problem. So the next type of problem is when you want to find the original price. How much did these shoes cost originally? I know that they are 40% off now, and now they only cost $33. So first step, I need to figure out how much I'm actually paying for the shoes with that $33. So I'm going to take 100% minus 40%, and I find out I'm actually paying 60% of the original price. That's a really important step, and a lot of people forget it, so please make sure you do that. Then I'm just going to answer the question. 33 is 60% of what number? Introducing the percent equation. So I have the part 33, and I have the percent, 60%, so 0.6. I'm just going to divide both sides by 0.6 to find out what the whole is, and I end up with $55. So these shoes were originally $55. All right, your turn to try the process. So we'll pause here so you can answer your question and then come back and check your work. Good, so here is the correct answer. Hopefully you all got $20. This is the process. Please look it over and compare it to your work to make sure that you did it right. All right, we're going to move on to the last type of problem that we're learning about today, and that is how to find markup. So a store pays $70 for a bicycle. The percent of markup is 20%. What is the selling price? The first thing I need to find is how much they're marking it up, and that's basically going to end up being the profit. So plug it into our equation. We want to know the part. So we already have the whole $70, and we already have what percent? 0.20. So I multiply that, and I get 14. So they're going to mark this bicycle up $14. So then, to find the selling price, I need to add the original, the amount the store paid, $70, to that markup, $14. And I end up with $84. All right, now it's your turn to try. So once again, we're going to pause this video, and then you're going to answer the question. And here is the answer. So go ahead, check over your work. I hope you understood this. Have fun with your Big Ideas assignment.